Guys, literally, what the heck? So, you know, my Froothie blender, my Optimum Froothie, the guys from Optimum have now sent me a Thermocooker Pro. Like, what the actual heck? I'm shook. Like, what? I've literally looked at like these kind of things before and been like, how wicked would that be? Like, it literally does everything. I've actually already taken it out of the box because I was way too excited, which is why it looks like I can just like pick up this heavy thing easily. But like, look at this. It does so much. It literally, so like, you can make doughs with it. You can use it as a blender, a steamer, a slow cooker. Like, you can do like stews and like heat things and weigh things. And oh my god, I'm gonna like find where it says everything you can do. You can literally do everything with it. Look, I'm gonna show you. Hang on. I've like put it on the bench because I'm like getting it threaded and getting so excited. But I had to share with you guys obviously. But look at it. Okay, I'm like so scared to draw. So this is the machine here. I haven't plugged it in, but I will like show you guys, and I'm going to be making so much with this and like showing you guys everything that you can make with it. But like, look, it's got all these different like functions. You can pulse, heat, make dough. I'm going to make some bread dough, like maybe even tonight. Legit, I'm gonna like wash it and then make some bread dough. And yeah, you can like do the weights and speeds and time, and oh my goodness, so this is the big bowl for like, you know, mixing and making doughs and everything. And then you've got your lid. It's got like the steamer baskets and everything, and then more baskets for all of the different functions, and then your different attachments. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. But yeah, your different attachments, and then this is the blade shield as well. But guys, like, I am so excited for this. I'm gonna like be showing you guys so much. I don't know how much I can show you when it's just unboxed, because you want to see it working, but I'm so bloody grateful. Like, this is actually crazy. Like, what the heck? I'm so grateful. I'm so excited to use it, and